Okay, so today I'm going to be walking you through how you can actually convert leads on autopilot without wasting hours of time actually chasing leads, without leads slipping through the cracks, and without spending thousands of pounds building out a team of people who would convert leads for you. So a lot of business owners that I speak to are always hooked on how they can get more leads through the door. So they might be spending, thousands of pounds per month just running paid ads, but whenever a lead comes through, they don't have the systems in place to actually convert them. Now, in 2025, this isn't good enough, right? So 62% of inbound calls made to small businesses actually go unanswered, with 80% of these actually being potential customers that are never calling back. And leads contacted within the first 5 minutes are actually 100 times more likely to convert than those that are reached out to after 30 minutes. So having good speed to lead and good response times are really important to be able to convert as many leads as possible and make the most out of all of the leads that you're actually obtaining. So without doing these things, without using AI, you are leaving a lot of money just lying on the table. So surely if you're spending a lot of money on paid ads or other lead gen methods, then you'd want an efficient system and scalable system as well to actually convert those leads for you. So that's where our system actually comes in. And these days, everyone's throwing away the term AI agents, but these days, only a few business owners really actually understand what they are and actually are using them. So this system here shows you exactly how you can be using AI agents. So on the left here, we can see our lead acquisition vehicles, which are essentially the methods that we use to acquire new leads. So this can be paid ads, social media content, or just leads coming directly through your website. And these are just initial touch points for someone who's interested in your products or services. They would come through these initial touch points. And when having these different methods of acquiring leads, it's important to funnel them through one centralized system, which then allows us to convert them. So in this black box here, you can see our system. So this is our AI agents, lead conversion and nurturing ecosystem. So this is exactly how we leverage AI and automation to book leads on autopilot. So let me break this down for you. So the main bulk of the system is the CRM. So if you aren't familiar with what a CRM is, then I think you should look into it because, as a business owner, having a CRM is pretty much a necessity, right? So essentially a CRM is a system which allows you to store every single bit of information about your customers. So you can build out a sales pipeline to actually track conversion rates. You can build out automated workflows. You can connect the system directly up to the paid ads, directly up to social media, directly up to your website as well. And then you can do a lot more. So ultimately everything flows through the CRM. But then in green here, you can see all of the AI systems we build on top of the CRM. So we have the lead sales pipeline, which looks something like this. And this is just an example of what the pipeline could look like. So essentially, we are tracking the new leads that come, directly from your paid ads, from your website, from social media. We can track, hot leads, which are leads that are engaging in a conversation, actually responding to outbound messages. And then we can see who's booked a call, who's cancelled their call, who's not shown up for their call. And we can actually track who's converted and who hasn't converted as well. So that allows us to track exactly where each lead is coming from, exactly what ads each lead is converting on, exactly what forms on your website each lead is converting on, and then we can hone in on those methods and actually optimize over time. So it's really an iterative process to understand why certain leads are converting through specific marketing channels, and then getting better and better over time. So this pipeline can be completely adapted to your business. So if you didn't have a discovery call booking system, then we can get rid of this, and we can, instead, if you convert leads onto an introductory offer, we can change these columns so they're actually tailored to your business. Then, of course, we have our booking system. So with the booking system, this is connected up to more automations. So we can send automated reminders, cancellations, and also follow up for no-shows as well. So this is an example of what the booking system could look like. So this is the same system that I use. And essentially someone will just come in and they can book in a call, or they can book in for, some sort of in-person session if that's what you offer. Then next on the system, we have email marketing. So when a new lead comes in, it's important to actually nurture them via different channels. So we want to nurture them via text messages and also via email as well. Now, a lot of businesses probably already have email marketing in place. They probably already have a lead sales pipeline. They have a booking system. They have the kind of automated reminders, and so on. So a lot of the main benefits of this system comes from using the AI, right? So our AI agents are able to actually, take leads and convert them on autopilot for you. So as an example, we have the AI lead reactivation. So we can create an agent which actually works via text messages or via phone calls, and we can feed in a list of thousands of leads, and this agent would then go through and reach out to all of those leads and convert them. So if you were using a team of people to do this reactivation process, they would be able to maybe get through, 50 leads an hour or so. So it would take them weeks to get through a list of thousands of leads. But then with an AI agent, we can reach out to thousands of leads within a matter of minutes, and it would cost just a few £100, which is a fraction of a cost of actually hiring a team. And overall, it works just as well in terms of converting. And then another aspect of this ecosystem is using an AI chatbot. So using an AI chatbot on your website will help to convert a lot more leads because you have a lot of organic traffic flowing through your website, but people are lazy these days, right? They don't want to go in and actually find the relevant information they're looking for. So if there is a chatbot system, they will just go ahead and ask it a question and get a response straight away, a tailored response, answering their question perfectly straight away, right? And that just helps you to convert leads a lot faster because you can respond to them a lot faster, and you can, show that you have good customer service as well. So having a website chatbot in place will allow you to get an extra 5 to 10 inquiries per month. And that's just if you have low levels of traffic flowing through your website. So if you have a lot more traffic, you can obviously benefit a lot more from having that chatbot. Now, using AI agents via WhatsApp, text messages, Instagram, and Facebook is also very beneficial to convert more leads, right? Most businesses have some sort of auto response in place via, WhatsApp or Instagram. So whenever someone messages, the kind of auto response will just send a set message, right? Just kind of prompting them to either send in an email or give them a phone call, or, maybe book in a call if you have a system in place for that. But that's not very effective, right? We want to actually answer their questions directly, right, within the space of a few minutes. Because if we're able to answer their questions, all of their questions within the space of a few minutes, then they are 100 times more likely to actually convert. Because we're always giving them personalized responses, always, showing top customer service, and we can train the agent to actually prompt to get them to book in and get them to convert and actually handle certain objections as well. Now, although using an AI agent to actually respond to queries is good, a lot of people don't respond, or they don't follow through with what they're going to say, right? So having an AI agent to actually dedicated to actually following up with leads is really important as well, because we want to be pushing these leads through the pipeline to actually book in a call and actually convert, right? And this isn't something that you can manually do, because you'd have to actually track every single lead. And if you're running paid ads, you're spending £1,000 a month minimum, right, towards paid ads. So you're getting over 200 leads coming through, and handling that manually takes so long, or you've got to have a good team in place to actually handle that. But if we've got AI agents, then it works out a lot cheaper. We can actually follow up and chase up with every single lead, make sure no leads are slipping through, and we have the follow-up agent in place to actually chase them down. Now, finally, we have the AI voice agent. So the AI voice agent allows us to phone up leads as soon as they come through, right? So as soon as they come through the paid ads, they come through our CRM, this will trigger our voice agent to reach out to them. And the main benefit of this is we can use our voice agent to quickly guide the lead through the system and through the pipeline. So it will work 24/7. It's able to answer inbound calls as well, and also make the outbound calls to any new leads that come through. So overall, this entire system allows you to never miss a lead. So you'd be able to, get hold of every single lead, answer their questions, pre-qualify them, and actually book them in on autopilot. And it works out for a fraction of the cost of hiring an actual team, right? So if you're interested in learning more about this system, please feel free to book in a call with me via the link below. And if you have any questions or any queries, feel free to drop a comment as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.